Hi, everybody. Welcome to our very first episode of tutorials for Canva. And I'm really happy to have everybody here. Um, so, for today, we are going to create an animated, sorry for that notification if you heard that, an animated GIF. And it is super easy. So, what I do is first I hit create design, and if you are doing this for your Instagram, there are templates that are available. So this one you will choose Instagram post for now, and this will be your regular Instagram post in square format. So these are the other things that I have done. You will see it here. I usually save files by file name. So let's say today we will create Easter GIFs. So what I do first is to look for a, let's say, a background. So if you wanted a pink gradient background, it will show up on the search toolbar, and there you go. You will have all your pink options on this side, and you click see all. Now let's just grab the very first one, since this is free, and some of our viewers today might be using their free accounts, so that's not a problem. And then next is we will look for animated objects, and they are usually found under graphics. So now let's see, I want to see a bunny hopping. Since we are doing Easter, I think that would be a good thing. Maybe animated. If we will be able to find a hopping bunny in motion, I think that will be great. This was what I found during practice. Also, you see that the bunny might be blending on the background, but that's totally fine. If you wanted to change the color of this background, for sure you can. Just click on this rainbow square for background color, choose a darker one like this, or maybe just leave it white. For now, I think I would like to leave it on with, I don't know, what do you think? Let's try green color. Alright, so let's make it a little bit smaller because I wanted to add other elements in here, such as, let's see, I wanted to add text graphics right here, and this text graphic doesn't have any effect right now, but what you will do is first customize what's written on here. So let's make it simple. I want to put happy over here, and then Easter on the other side. If you see, R has been pushed down, and that means the text size might be too big, so I will just reduce this to 150. These objects, when you drag them, they're linked together. It is your option. You can just use them together as is and change your layout. But to be more informative or playful, let's try to ungroup the text. You will notice that you can now separate the two objects, and then you'll put happy jumping bunny here in the middle. Awesome. So you see him hopping. There are also other effects that you could add here. Let me put that in the middle. You could keep on adding more text or elements if you want to. Let's say you wanted to do emphasis, or sorry, I spelled that wrong. Okay, you wanted to do emphasis. There are lots and lots of animations that are available here. So maybe let's say you wanted to, we're choosing a design right now. So maybe, I usually add, okay, let's say you want to add that. So I click that one. Now it is in front. What I usually do is click arrange and bring backward. So you will see your bunny happy hopping, and then if you want to change transparency of that, you can also do so by doing this one. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with that one. If you wanted to animate your text, there's an animate button here that could help you emphasize stuff. So if you wanted to be hoppity hop, it will show right there how it is gonna be like, and I want them to be very consistent, so I'll also do the same thing. Alright, so now we have our hopping bunny and we are ready to export this one. But in Canva, they don't call that export, so we click on the share button, slide your cursor, this side cursor down, click download. You will see the file type. There are several file types here specifically for GIFs, short clip that could, loop. Click download as GIF and then click download. It will take a little bit for you to download this file. If you wanted to share this file with somebody else, there is a link over here, and then all you have to do is go ahead and copy that one. Alright, so I just opened the downloaded file, and this is what we got, our happy Easter bunny. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video has helped provide some sort of guidance and tutorial for your next GIF creation with Canva. Remember that if the element is available for Pro, there are always other elements available there for free users. So let me know once you give it a try and how you found the experience, and if there is anything else that you wanted to try with Canva. Let's learn that together. Let me know in the comments what are the other things that you wanted to learn with Canva, and I'll try to make another video for you. Let's keep in touch. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.